Okay, so I'm currently in my sister's car right now before this video starts. It is raining, so that's what I'm going to tell you guys about right now. We are going to go drifting. This time I'm actually going to get some actual raw footage of it, you know, not clips that I've already had. We're going to get real drifting clips. We're going to have the GoPros on the car. We might have different angles and stuff like that. I'm going to obviously get some clips on this camera. And so yeah, we're about to go to my house, grab my car, put some gas in it, and then hopefully just have a good little street drifting video. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I just picked up my car. I'm letting it warm up right now. It's actually really wet from the time it took me to get from my buddy's house, which is Vincent. He's right here. He's gonna help me film this street edit. So yeah, it's actually really wet outside. It's perfect. So hopefully this is a good street drifting video. Right now we're about to go get some gas in the car because, you know, we can't drift without gas and my car will bog out. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't do that during this vlog, but it honestly more than likely will. But yeah, let's just have a little fun street drifting video, so let's get it. Okay, so I just got gas. It's actually getting a little dark, so I don't know how well this camera's gonna show up, but I do have the GoPro. So hopefully the GoPro gets good footage, but I will try to get footage on this camera as well. I just don't know how good of a how good this camera's gonna record at night, because you know I really just don't record at night. But we're gonna try it anyway. So yeah, hopefully let's have a good drift session today. Let's go send it. Okay, so it's actually a different day from that previous clip you've seen. I think it's like 2 days. What happened basically? It got way too dark. The GoPro actually died, and yeah, so that's what happened. But it's another day. It's supposed to rain today, but before it rains, I gotta go take care of a couple stuff. I gotta go pay a fix-a ticket. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do real quick, and then when we get back, by the time we get back, hopefully it starts raining, because it says it's supposed to rain today. Like, let me see. Yeah, it says it's supposed to be 60% chance of rain at 12. I don't know how wild that's true, but I guess we'll find out. It's like currently 11:46, and yeah, so I'm about to go pay this ticket. By the time we get out this ticket, it should be 12 o'clock, and it should be like just pouring rain already, so yeah. Okay, so I just pulled up to the place where I got to pay this ticket at, so I'm gonna run inside, pay this ticket, and hopefully by the time I come out, it should be raining. It's already 12, and yeah, that's what time it's supposed to be, like, I guess pouring rain, because it's like a 60% chance. So yeah, let's go pay this ticket. Okay. That was honestly a complete waste of my time, because what happened is I have court on the 8th, which is Monday, and it's Friday, the week before. So basically I guess I have to wait till the court date, and then I guess after I come and pay it, yeah, I don't know. I've actually had a fixed ticket like this before, and I just literally came here and paid it, and it was no problem. But I don't know what this lady's problem was today. I guess she just didn't feel like taking my money. So yeah, I really don't give a fuck. Anyways, it saves me money because it gives me more time. But yeah, so I gotta go put gas in the truck because I'm like really low on gas. Like, it's like ridiculously low on gas. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. And it was actually starting to sprinkle. Hopefully by the time I get back to my house, it's fucking raining over there, because I'm in Roseville. I live in Sacramento. So yeah, but yeah, that's what we're about to do right now, and hopefully this freaking rain comes, because I really want to go drift. Okay, so I just made it to the gas station, and I started pumping gas, and it actually started raining outside. So that's a good sign. Hopefully by the time I get back to my house, it's pouring more than this, because this right here it's alright to get sideways, but you know, it's a lot more fun when it's fucking just pouring. The gas just stopped pumping, so yeah. Okay, so I made it home. It's actually raining the same amount as it was when I was in Roseville, which is okay, because I mean, I guess if it rains like this long enough, the floor will be wet enough. But yeah, so I gotta get the GoPro. I gotta go pick up someone so that they could help me film with this camera. And yeah, we're just about to hopefully have a good little rainy day drift sesh. I guess that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing really more to this vlog besides me just getting sideways. So yeah, hopefully we can get a little sideways, because it's honestly not raining that bad right now. It could be raining a lot more, but I guess this is just good enough, I mean, for now. Okay, so I'm in the 240, and it's actually irritating because it's not really raining that much anymore. But it's supposed to rain, that's what they say, but yeah, I guess, I don't know. But by the way, I actually got a new shift knob. It's the We Are Like Wise one and the extension. So yeah, that's, I guess, something good on the other hand. But I guess I'm just gonna wait till it starts raining really hard, because yeah, I keep telling you guys we're gonna go drifting and we're not going. But I promise you guys, we're gonna go drifting. It's just, this rain is playing with me. It's pissing me off. So yeah, but I guess we'll just have to find out if it starts raining anytime soon, because I'm getting really irritated. Okay, so it actually started raining a lot more now, so we could actually go drift. I'm gonna get the GoPro mounted on the car. We're probably gonna get like different angles of different like corners, and then I'll get some on this camera too, so that way we can, you know, have a good little stretch. And yeah, so let's get it.
When you first push in the clutch, that's the moment. That's when you really notice just how different it feels.
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch, then after that go see me hunt. Pull up S13 and pop my hood and let my trunk thump. Ride through the hood, I bump the thump from trunk will shake you up. Pull up to the party spark. The girl see me and save a spot. She know I know what I want. She wondering if she the one, but I ain't gon' start nothing. My energy is for the hustle. She said she can deal with that, but she still want it from the back. I might slide that wacky pack like Sonic, then be out of that. Pull up smoking, jumping jacks. The smell of that will lay you back. She drink just like Leahy, but I'm Ricky when I smoke a sack. Pull off with them handles, man. 240, slide up to the pad. K.A. no SR, you bitch. One time made these niggas.
Alright, so you know what I'm saying? That was the boy Vincent. I told him to grab my camera, that's why he was vlogging, but we're at my friend's house and he has a private little skid pad, so we might get a couple little donuts actually. Oh shit, yeah, but Mikey's cable,
Is it just cutting power?
throttle cable literally just like slipped off.
I don't know how.
Yeah, so his gas pedal's like completely useless, and it's like, but yeah, we'll fix it right now so we can all fucking get it. I'm actually having a lot of fun because it's not just me that's drifting, it's fucking me, Mikey, my friend Jace. He's getting it in the auto. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I don't even care. It's an automatic, but he still gets it. Like, watch. Hit something, Gabe. He's got to hit something in the automatic real quick. Oh, he hit the fucking big ass fucking pothole. Oh shit. Okay, so it's raining. I'm gonna put the camera back in the car, and then we're about to go out some more and I'll get some more clips. But yeah, we're about to fix Mikey's car real quick and then we'll go out again. So yep, I'll see you guys in a sec.
He pull off, he looking sad, switch back to me, I fill my glass. Clowns can't get down with us, no rapper can't come damage us. He come with that tricky shit, we quick and first to handle it. I can't give a fuck for shit, it's Hollow Squad or nothing, you bitch.
Almost seems too good to waste on a kid like Takumi, doesn't it? Well, when are you gonna put it in there? We'll see. A better engine isn't automatic.